Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find a Swift code of CIBC Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your CIBC Bank on your phone browser, or you can do it from your desktop as well. Once you access it, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, tap on it this three horizontal line, aka menu icon on top left corner of the side, and simply go to the search bar and type in Swift code. Once you have done that, you can see this Swift code on top. You can tap on that, or you can simply tap on the CIBC Swift code, and now it will simply open up this kind of article. You can see sending and receiving wire transfer CIBC. That's what you need. So for that matter, you're simply gonna go ahead again, tap on that particular search option on top, and here in this section, the below section, you're going to find this required information, CIBC beneficial details over here, just right over here. So for the Swift code of yours to find out CIBC, so you simply want to find this option of this code of CIBC institution number, which is just given right over here, and that number would do. That number is basically for you to use for your wireless transfers, and that is basically used for your Swift code as well. So if you would like to find a CIBC Swift code, this is basically it, and you can find all the information regarding that as well just right over here. So this is it, guys. This is how you can find it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.